All right, folks, 89 Chevy Caprice starter replacement. I didn't see a lot of YouTube videos on it, so I just decided to knock it out myself. You got 3 bolts you got to take off to get this bracket off. There's one there, there's one in the middle, sits where the control arm bolts up to, and then there's one here. I used the 18 on both sides. For this one was a difficult move. You got to stick this in there, hold your finger onto it while ratcheting it off with the other one. Same thing with that hole over there. You just stick 18 in there, hold it while ratcheting it off. This one was the most difficult one. Get you some PB blaster. That's what helped me out a lot. Get the 18 there, then you're gonna need a ratchet this size with the 18, and then you're gonna just come over these lines underneath through here, and then you can get that bolt out. Just leave that there, don't even let that fall out. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. And then the starter's pretty simple. It's 2 bolts. This bolt, which goes on the top portion, and then there's this long one that goes right here. And then you got an 17, I'm sorry, to get that off. I got a few wires right there. You see that. And I got an 8mm on that back one right there, about ready to come off. That's pretty much it. Let me snatch it out and show you the starter. Lift it up. Spin it. It comes right out. Whew. That's a big girl right there, big boy. Yeah. Yes. Man, definitely the original boy. Let's get the new one. All right. Heck. Let's get her in. Okay. Make sure you start it like this. This is how it came out. It's going in wrong. Flipper. Got a flipper. Oh yeah. She slid up in there like butter, baby. Butter. All right. Now you just. Ooh, that was loud. Oh, that was very freaking loud. All right, let's back that thing. So basically, just get all these wires connected. I'm gonna get them connected and I'll show you how it is once we're done. Make sure nothing's touching nothing. We want to get that to not do that, so let's loosen her up a bit. All right, that's much better. As you can see, it's no longer touching. Wires are tight as can be. Now it's time to get this bolt here. Okay, she's all in there. Pretty simple job. Just gotta put this bracket back on there. Once again, that's the bracket. Hole number 1, number 2, number 3. Let's see if she starts that though. Coming the truth, big dogs. New starter, $7. That's she work. Started out pretty good. go Flowmaster on that. I mean, still gotta delete that cat, but Flowmaster 40 flow.